Every single time I used to think maybe it's the last time, then I'll be successful. Maybe it's the last time I'm failing, and then I'll be successful. Maybe this plan gonna work, but never any plan worked for me. There was a specific reason. The reason was like all the time whenever I started, and after a certain period of time, I just felt, oh my god, maybe this plan not gonna work. Maybe I should stop it. Maybe I should do something new. And then I did the same thing that I was thinking. Like I tried new thing, again new thing, again new thing. At the end, I'm here where I was. So why it's happening with us? It's not my problem. I talked with my friends, my cousins. They had the same problem. Like who are actually wanna do something, but still they are in there where they used to be 5 years ago, 3 years ago. Why? The reason is like the better planning. Every single time we used to plan a little bit, not that much. That's why, after a certain period of time, we just think maybe our plan is not working because we don't have any specific plan. We don't have the clarity, like what happen, what can happen with us, and when we will feel like this plan not gonna work, and in that time we should decide like, yeah, this is gonna work. So let me clear first. First of all, whenever you'll think about anything, whenever you'll get an idea, take it. Take a pen and paper. Write it down. Make it step by step process what you actually do with this plan. Whenever you will get the plan, and I would recommend like take at least 6 to 7 days to make this plan. At least it totally depends on the like how much big this thing you gonna do now. It totally depends on this thing how many days it will take to make this plan. So if it's very small, then maybe few hours. If it's very big, maybe few days. So whenever you have the full plan, step by step process, even step by step breakdown, or like you researched with maybe for example, let's say you want to be a YouTuber, so you researched your competitor, uh, and their hacks, the hooks, the viral scenes, and each and every single thing, the sound effects, the editing style. You researched every single thing and you confirmed like it will work 100%. Then when you gonna start, maybe after a certain period of time, you'll feel again like this plan not gonna work maybe. In that time, you'll not be confused. You have to just open your notebook again and see what you actually wrote few days ago about your plan. What was your plan? Have you done those things that you wrote before? If it's not, then do the same thing. Go with your plan. Your plan was no problem with your plan. So why I'm saying this thing? I failed more than 6, 7 times. Last few years I tried a lot of things and I failed again and again and again. Then few days ago, suddenly I noticed, oh my god, why? Why it's happening with me? Why god, why? I was crying. But now I have the clarity. Why this problem happening with me again and again? The problem wasn't about the plan. The problem was clarity. The clarity comes when you have the total, step by step breakdown about this plan. Whole thing when you have from front of you, in the time you'll not feel like you are lack of clarity. So I would say before starting something, first of all, research about it and make the plan and be clear about it, like is it work or not, and then start, and till the end you should go with it.